just a quick video because I'm so excited to show you what's in the contents of this box. Let's have a look. Ooh. This is a box from Zuri Designs, and this is my first parcel as a design team member, and I'm really excited to show you what's in here. So we've got this one here. These are moulds, and this is steampunk eyes. Look at the picture there. I can't wait to actually cast these. Excuse the state of the nails. I've got wax on there. Can't wait to actually start casting these. Number 2 is music box. How beautiful is this gonna look? I've got something special in mind for this one. You'll see by the state of my hands that I've already started gessoing some substrates with black. So I haven't actually been able to scrub that away yet. But look at this. Oops. Look at this beautiful design here. Number 3. Oh, this. If any of you know the name of my beautiful little social enterprise, it's all to do with hearts. And look at that. Shall we open that and have a look at the detail of the mould itself? There's always something special about opening a brand new mould, isn't there? Oh, look at the size of that. Look at the detail of those images, that design. And I am doing this at home, and of course the dogs have just decided to wake up and start plodding around. That is Sacred Heart. What's this one? Ooh. Heirloom cabinet. Again, absolutely stunning. The size of this mould is something else. It's a beautiful piece. I think it deserves to be on a canvas in the first instance. Look at that. Look at the detail. How fabulous is that? Now don't forget, with Zuri Designs, especially these larger moulds, if you're using air dry clay, you can take out individual sections. So you can just take out this part here if you want to. Very, very usable. It makes them even more usable than normal. And look, you've got your cabinet here. Let's take it back. But look at what's at the side. You've got these beautiful. Now, I personally will be using this probably to be creating something like an apothecary, because this is going to make shelves. Can you see here? When the resin goes into there, that's going to make little shelves in there. So lots of use for these moulds, lots and lots of use. Just got to find places for the packaging to go. And this one, Bohemian Girl. Now I'm very excited about this one. I will also be using this one with the steampunk eyes, which was the first smaller mould that I got out of the packaging. Let's turn it around. Just look. Again, elements that you can take just on their own. If you use air dry clay, you can just take out the leaves. You can take out this beautiful arrow. You can take out each one. And you could even take out just sections of hair. If I cover this over, you can take out sections of hair and use those as texture on projects. And then there's this one. This one is such a useful piece of kit for anybody. So it's Baroque inlays, and this is set 2. And set 1 is a massive onlay. Very, very big piece of work. But this for smaller pieces of furniture, for canvases, boxes, the whole lot. If you look at the sizes of these beautiful designs, and they will go onto pieces of work. Gesso thumb, oops. Absolutely lovely. And also in my box, which I'm very excited to try, as I've never tried this brand of wax before, and I am a great lover of wax. We have got, let me just see the colour. Look at that. I think that's got to be copper, hasn't it? I can't read it because I haven't got the right glasses on. Look at that. Oh, yum. Let's have a little look. Oh, do you know what? You could use that as eye makeup. How beautiful is that? And do they smell? They've got a lovely, proper wax smell to them. This against black and white and cream and yellow and many, many colours. And this one, which is, I can't see the colour. There's no point me trying to see the colour. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's use a clean finger. And, oh yeah. Oh yes. Lovely, lovely colour. And finally, the one that everybody needs in every piece of kit is the gold. There we go. Gorgeous. In fact, I'm going to put that. Now, put these 3 colours together, especially on, say, the Bohemian Girls, and you have got a fabulous, fabulous colourway to create a bohemian look. I can't wait to get going. Don't know about you. Thanks for watching. Bye.